Welcome aspirants to a new series of current affairs by SSB Select. We will discuss the current affairs very briefly, and I'll suggest you all to note down the points or the news, and then if you are interested and if you want to know more, just go on and search it on internet so that you will get complete idea about the news. So let's dive in. So the government of India has launched Arogya Path. Now Arogya Path is a web-based solution for the healthcare supply chain, which helps in getting to know what is the real-time availability of critical supplies. Now Arogya Path is available on National Healthcare Supply Chain Portal, and ये जो पोर्टल था, now Arogya Path ने वो पोर्टल सर्वोदय इन्फोटेक के साथ मिलकर डेवलप किया है. So make sure तुम्हें पता हो कि ये किसके साथ मिलकर डेवलप किया गया है, ये पोर्टल कहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, एंड ये किस चीज के लिए बना हुआ है. ओके, सो मेक श्योर यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई इज इट मेड, वेयर इज इट अवेलेबल, एंड इन पार्टनरशिप विथ whom it is developed. Let's move ahead. Vice Admiral Biswajit Das Gupta, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal, and Vishishta Seva Medal, assumed the charge as Chief of Staff, Eastern Naval Command, Visakhapatnam on 12th June 2020. Center approved Maharashtra's annual action plan for implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in the state. The state government has planned to provide 100% tap connections to all households in the state by 2023-24. In Maharashtra, out of 1.42 crore rural households, 53.11 lakh households already have tap connections. The Government of India has approved 1,828.92 crore implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in state during 2020-2021. Now make sure you understand Jal Jeevan Mission is associated with which government or which state, और वो कब तक ये चीज completely implement करने वाले हैं, और इसके लिए जो funds approve हुए हैं वो कब हुए हैं. So make sure you understand it is associated with which state, किस state के साथ इसे associate किया गया है, और जो plan है वो कब तक खत्म करेगा. The National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, has announced that it has gone fully digital, as it has launched a unique cloud-based and artificial intelligence-powered big data analytics platform, that is Data Lake and Project Management Software. Now make sure you understand that what is the platform that National Highway Authority of India has launched. वो platform है Data Lake and Project Management Software. और National Highway Authority of India ये मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट के अंडर आता है. सो आप दो तीन चीज़ों पे ध्यान रखें कि वो किस मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है, उसने कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च किया, और वो प्लेटफॉर्म किस बेसिस पे बना है. तो वो बना है क्लाउड बेस और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के हेल्प से. Former NASA astronaut and geologist Kathy Sullivan becomes first woman to reach deepest point of the ocean. Now, Bihar government has appointed actor Pankaj Tripathi as brand ambassador of Patna's Khadi Mall. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and Dr. Harshvardhan relaunched iFlows, a flood warning system in Mumbai. Now I'll suggest you all to go on the internet and find out about iFlows and how it works. So make sure you have the complete idea about how iFlows works and with which state it is associated to. Moving ahead, Exim Bank sanctions $215.68 million credit to Malawi government for drinking water supply schemes. जो Exim Bank है, एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है, उन्होंने $215.68 million का क्रेडिट मलावी गवर्नमेंट को प्रपोज किया है so that उनकी ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम्स रन हो सके. मूविंग ऑन, RBI sets up 5-member internal working group headed by P.K. Mohanty to review ownership and control of private banks. Attorney General of India K.K. Venugopal will get 1-year extension of service. His tenure is coming to an end of 30 June 2020. He was appointed as Attorney General and has succeeded Mukul Rohtagi on June 30, 2017. Now everyone should know what Attorney General of India is, what is his work is. Make sure आपको ये चीज़ें पता हो so that you get complete idea of what Attorney General of India is. And such questions can be asked in CBSE polity paper. Now moving on, an artificial intelligence enabled robot Captain Arjun, has been launched by Indian Railways Central Railway Zone to intensify the screening of passengers and surveillance to keep a watch on antisocial elements. अब ये जो रोबोट है ये थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग करेगा पैसेंजर्स की, जो टेम्परेचर है पैसेंजर्स का वो डिस्प्ले पे आएगा. अगर वो टेम्परेचर किसी थ्रेशोल्ड से अगर ज़्यादा हो, किसी लिमिट से ज़्यादा हो, तो वो अलार्म भी बजेगा उसमें. Hence Captain Arjun will provide enough protective cover to passengers while undergoing screening, and it will make sure that a regulation is maintained regarding temperature on railway premises. Now, Atul Srivastava, Director of Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL, passed away. He assumed charge as Director Personnel of SAIL on March 12, 2018. During his entire career, he has led personnel and administrative functions on SAIL's Bokaro and Durgapur steel plants. Yesterday was World Wind Day. It is also known as Global Wind Day. This day is celebrated to raise awareness on wind energy, which is a natural form of energy and also sheds light on all the ways of energy. European Wind Energy Association established the day as Wind Day in year 2007. So make sure आपको पता हो कि विंड डे या ग्लोबल विंड डे कब सेलिब्रेट होता है. आपको ये तो पता ही होगा कि इट्स अ नेचुरल फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी, और ये किस एसोसिएशन ने इस्टेब्लिश किया है. इन 2-3 चीज़ों पे आप प्लीज़ ध्यान दीजिए. मेक श्योर यू नो दैट. UTI Mutual Fund has appointed Imtiazur Rahman as its Chief Executive Officer. Earlier he was serving as acting CEO of UTI Mutual Funds. He was made the acting CEO of UTI Mutual Funds after completion of 5 years term of Leo Puri, whose contract ended in August 2018. He joined UTI Group in 1998 and is with AMC since 2003. So aspirants, as I earlier told, wherever you think that you need to know more, या उस पर कुछ ज़्यादा सवाल आ सकते हैं, या तुम्हें वो कंसेप्ट समझना चाहिए, या वो न्यूज़ कम्प्लीटली पता होना चाहिए, मेक श्योर तुम इंटरनेट पे जाओ, उसे सर्च करो, रीड आर्टिकल्स रिगार्डिंग इट और उसकी नोट्स बना लो, so that you don't have any issue with the current affairs in your upcoming various papers. So this is the end of our first video of the series of current affairs. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Join us at our Instagram at @ssb_select. If you have any comments, please write them down. If there is any suggestions, please write them. We'll make sure we'll work on those suggestions, and you can contact us at our Instagram. Even there are various links given in the description. Please go through it. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.